Have you ever prayed for alignment and then everything started falling apart? Well, that's what happened to me. And I think that we romanticize alignment without understanding the cost of it. We imagine how it would feel, what it would look like, how different our lives would be if only everything aligned. But no one ever talks about what gets removed in the process. Hi, I'm Jam. If you are new here, welcome. I'm documenting my real life transformation. No performance, no pretending, just rebuilding from the inside out. What nobody talks about is that alignment doesn't feel peaceful at first. It feels like loss. It feels like confusion. And it feels like your nervous system is constantly on edge. I had to move away from the grass because bugs were eating me up. But anyways, because when things that aren't meant for us leave, your brain doesn't celebrate it. It panics. All right, so there are three things that I need you to understand. But not just you, but also me too. First, your brain loves familiarity, not destiny. Your nervous system doesn't care if something is healthy. It only cares about what is predictable. You can hate your job. You can cry every single morning before work. But if you keep showing up every day, you're teaching your nervous system that this is a safe place, that we belong here. And that is how powerful repetition is. Second, loss feels like danger. Your nervous system has a threat response system. So that means when something suddenly, can't even talk, when something suddenly leaves, whether that be a relationship, a home, a car, your routine, your body reads that as instability. And instability feels like danger, not because it's wrong, but because it's unfamiliar. And third, alignment requires identity death. So when you've trained your body to survive one way for years and then you suddenly change it up, your brain goes, what is this? What is going on? This is not who we are. It releases stress hormones. It activates fear, not because you're failing, but because the old identity is dissolving. Switching the program means killing the old one. I used to think that alignment would feel like clarity, but honestly, it feels like being stripped, like literally being stripped of everything that you've ever known. Like almost like everything that I relied on is gone. And now I have to figure out who I am without it. I don't fully know who I'm becoming yet, but I do know who I'm not anymore. And I think that for now, that's okay.